And the whole thing was a very nice experience. Got Bluetooth. Just, some of the things like remote start is very nice. Ashley was great. She kept in touch all along the whole process. She'd send me a text now and then saying, we're still waiting. Sorry, we haven't gotten the word yet. And then finally it showed up. And so that was great. And it came in just a couple days ago.
Those two are only for charging. There's another USB on the left side.
Yeah.
That's the one for the Apple CarPlay.
Contract got signed. The financing, of course, was approved, and you guys drove it down, which was awesome. The car is gorgeous. She's not here yet. She's on her way. She's gonna love it.
How likely would you say you are to recommend Valley High Toyota to a friend or a colleague?
I wouldn't hesitate. It's been a great thing all along. It was a great experience with everybody I dealt with. My name is Patrick Ireland. I just bought a new Sequoia for my wife and had it delivered from Valley High Toyota.
5.7